Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and my hood has been starting to close on its own, particularly when it's colder, so it's time to replace these prop rods. So a couple of preparatory things you want to do. First of all, you want to get something securely holding the hood open so it doesn't fall on you when you're doing this. The other preparation you want is you need to make sure that your holes are lined up, so you can turn it with a plier and just try to get them that way they're ready to snap on. Now the new one, you don't have to pull the ring off, it'll just snap on. You just pull the ring to get the old one off. Basically just loosen those up so that'll pop off. Do the same thing to the top one, just kind of fit your screwdriver under there and pop that ring up. And there you go. Now, oh yeah, you see, it opens the hood rather than before. I mean, if it got even probably here, it would just close on it. So, those are really good condition. So if your hood isn't opening itself, you probably need to replace those. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. Tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.